Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to create histogram and Pareto charts. These histograms and Pareto charts are commonly used to show the distribution of a continuous data set. These help to look at how your data set is dispersed or data is dispersed or spread out. For example, frequency state test score of students or distribution of population by age or height or weight or product by sales. Okay. What we are doing here, we are making the frequency. Okay, so this is the data set that we are going to use. This column L tells about the names of the people who are residing in a particular location. These are the heights and these are the weight of these people. And what we want to do, we want to sell some apparel products. Okay, like it can be shirts or something of that kind. Okay, so we want to see the height of people. Okay, this is also significant for selling shirts or pants kind of things. Okay, so let us see. I have selected this. Let us select this. Okay, then insert. Then here we are having Pareto charts. Sorry, this is histogram. You can see this is the histogram. Maximum people from this category 175. So you see one thing, it is 67 to 67.8, but we don't have the data, decimal data here. But by default, automatically Excel has selected this. This is the range for column, first column. So we have also seen the column charts. In case of column charts, we have one value that is appearing in the column, but here we have a range in case of histogram. This is a difference we must remember. And let us change it. Format axis, select the x axis, then format axis. Then you see by default automatically Excel has selected the decimal as 0.8. But what we need to do, we have to change the bin width. Bin means difference. Okay. What is this bin? Bin means distance or difference between two numbers for one columns. So this distance is zero point 0.8. Let us make it as decimal point. Instead of decimal point, let us make it a whole number. Okay, it has become now one whole number. Okay, you can see 67 and 68, then 68 to 69, second one you see, and here you see. So this is what? So this is in ascending order from the smallest number to the highest number. It is moving. Okay, you can see. But one thing, one significant thing that you must notice, that here, let us enlarge this. You see one significant that thing that you can notice here. There are two kinds of brackets being used here. First one, you see there are two. These are called round. These are two square bracket. Okay, square bracket. And here you see there is one round bracket and there is one square bracket. Okay, what does it mean? And this data are also data 68 is also repeated. If somebody is having this height, 68-inch height somebody is having, whether he will be a part of first column or he will be a part of second column. So in order to understand this, we must understand the different kinds of bracket that are being used here in Excel, especially in histogram. This is one square, then this is one round, then another square. Okay, what does it mean? Square means it is included. Included. Okay, this round means not included. What does it mean? You see the first column. First column, there is one square bracket. Okay, that means 67 and 68 are the part of the first column. What is the value? That means this is the 9 is the frequency. Then 68 and 69. This is there is one. This is round bracket. Round bracket means it's not included. That means this 68 is a part of this first column. Similarly, if you see 70, 70 is a part of this third column. Okay, that means that is not included. Accordingly, we can see. Okay, so if you see, most of the people from this category 73 and 74 are here. Accordingly, we have to see the size of different product that we want to sell, and we have to make maximum investment there. Similarly, we can check, let us delete it. We'll check for this. We'll check for, instead of height, we'll check for the weight. Okay, let us select this data. Let us select this data. Okay, instead of height, we are checking the weight of the people. Then insert, this is that. So one second, these are the decimal. Let us change this decimal format axis. Let us change the bin instead of 8.6. It is 8.6 is the difference you can see. This is 8.6. Instead of 8.6, let us make it 10. Then enter. So now it is changing 150 to 160, 160 to 170. Accordingly, we'll see this 160. It is repeated here. This is a part of the first column. Similarly, 170 is a part of the second column, not a part of the third column. Accordingly, we must understand. Okay. So this is how, and if you see here also, people uh, within this range 190 to 200 pound, and these people, more number people are there, means 126 people are there. Therefore, we have to see the size of different apparel products that they need. Accordingly, we have to make the investment. So we have also another data on, you can see, product and sales. Let us make a Pareto chart. We have understood now the histogram, uses of histogram. We are checking here the data distributions. So there are 10 products, and these are the frequency of the sales. What we'll do, we'll create this. Okay. Let us insert the Pareto chart. This Pareto chart, you see, these are the products. But these products are not appearing in ascending order. First one is the product 2, then 9, then 3. Why it is happening? Because you see, in case of the histogram, first that was appearing, the numbers were appearing in the ascending order, whereas this is not the case. Here, if you see, the product that is most frequently said, highest number of frequencies the product is having, that is appearing first. If you see, what is the value? You see, this is the first series, that is called product 2, 8722. Then next it is 8453. Okay, if you see, you can see around 45% of the sales are coming from this first three product it is coming. Okay, and rest of the product, first three means it is 2, 9 and 3. You can see 45% around it is coming. Okay, and rest of the products, like out of 10 product, only 3 product are giving more sales, with 45% are close to 45% of the sales are coming from this. Let us see. So what are they? Equal to the product 2. This is this one. Then plus, then product 9. Okay. Then plus, then product 3. Okay. So you see, this is the value we are getting. Product 2, 3 and 7. Product 2, 9 and 3. But if you see the total, equal to sum. Okay. Let us calculate this. So this is the total. Then if you take this to percentage, equal to this by this. How much it is coming? Close to 45. Let us convert this to percentage. Okay, it is becoming 46%. 46% is coming from the first three columns. Okay, that means product 2 and product 9 and product 3 it is coming in case of Pareto charts. So accordingly, we have to see that most of the investment that we can make on the these three products like product 2, 9 and 3. Okay, so this is how we can use this Pareto charts. Okay, that's for the lessons. I will see you in the next one.